Module 7, Lesson 14's objective is to connect measurement with physical units by using iteration with an inch tile to measure. Item 2 says Norberto begins measuring his pen with his inch tile. He marks off where each tile ends. After 2 times, he decides this process is taking too long and starts to guess where the tile would end and then marks it. Explain why Norberto's answer will not be correct. The story tells us that Norberto used his inch tile 2 times. He used his inch tile here and here. Everything after that is when he began guessing because he thought the process was taking too long. Looking at the first 2 times when he did use his inch tile, I can see that the distance between here and here is very similar to the first 2 times, but it looks like it might be a little smaller. When I look at this distance and compare it to the first 2 times, it definitely looks like a smaller distance. The same is true when I look at this distance and this one. It seems like that when Norberto was just guessing, his distances got smaller when he was just trying to guess where the tile would end. So, when I have to explain why Norberto's answer will not be correct, my explanation will be this one. Norberto's answer will not be correct because the measurements between the marks won't all be 1 inch. Item 3 says use your inch tile to measure the pen. How many inch tiles long is the pen? I'll go ahead and show you how Norberto should have measured his pen. I'll use the inch tile that I've inserted to show you. First, I'll put the inch tile to the very tip of the pen and I'll mark it just like they did. Then I'll move it and mark it again. I'll continue doing the same thing until I get to the end of the pen. Now, let's take a look and see what the answer should be. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many inch tiles long is the pen? That's the question we have to answer. The pen is 5-inch tiles long. That's it. We're done with this page.